Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to get CapCut on PC totally for free. I'll be showing you two ways, and the first one would be through Microsoft Store. So on your desktop, click on the Start icon. It should be on the bottom left corner of your screen, and then just go ahead and type Store. Once you see Microsoft Store, go ahead and open it. On the search bar here, type CapCut. This first one is the one we need, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're here, go ahead and click Install. Give it a few seconds to download and install, and once that's done, you click on your Start again, you should see CapCut on the recently added apps. Another way would be downloading it from the web. So, you can open a browser from your computer and then on the search engine, type CapCut on PC. Once you're here, click on the first link and it should be showing the official website, CapCut.com. Click on it. Once you're in here, scroll down a little bit or until you see Download for Windows. Go ahead and click on it. It should download on your PC. Give it a few seconds to finish downloading. Once that's done, you can open your Downloads folder. Double-click to open. Then you should have this pop-up window and make sure to mark this box first so that you can start installing and then click Install Now. Give it a few minutes to install. Once it's done, click Start Now. Alright, and then just click New Project to start creating your videos and editing them. You can also choose to sign in to get 10 GB storage. And that's it. That's how you get CapCut on PC for free. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.